Good morning, friends. Welcome back to Let's Do More Good, where we focus on having a positive impact on the world around us. This morning we got a cool project. I'm going to go to a friend's house, help him chop down a couple of trees that are up against his house and help him out a little bit. Loading up some equipment here, and we'll get on our way. Let's go. So like we were saying, a couple of trees up close to the house that we're gonna take out. This one right here kind of wants to fall this way, but we're gonna just add some insurance policy to keep it off the house. We put a strap down to this tree here, a rope up there that we're gonna take and just put tension on it to make sure we guide it right here and keep it off the porch and put it right here in the middle of the yard. Okay, we're going to take the tree down here. As you can see, it's leaning pretty hard toward the house and it's a risk, but we've got an insurance policy here for this strap here that's not going to let it go anymore that way. And so it's going to swing, and we've got this rope here we're going to put tension on, and as we cut it, it'll swing right over here. Should land right in this area. So let's do it. Look at this. We've been out there working hard, and Holly's been in here in the kitchen working hard. Unbelievable. Beautiful. Look at that. Handcrafted by Michael Scott. Shout out, Michael Scott. Nice. Looks amazing. Okay, and here we are. The trees that were up against the house have all been trimmed out, really opened it up, and you can see here, everything's opened up and all the stuff that was kind of leaning out, laying out, and of course everything's been cut down, has been cleaned up and cleared out. Looks a lot better. Grass will grow. You don't have to worry about these trees that were kind of leaning over the porch and potentially cause damage to the house. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time on Let's Do More Good.